at the end of the day, ang maapektuhan talaga nito is tayo mga consumers, di ba? Whichever way, tariff sa US and tariff sa Canada, hello guys, Nardino TV here and we are back again with another video. So, second day na may snow dito sa Vancouver. Ayan. Oh, all white. Eh, syempre kasama ko yung mga anak ko naglalaro. Diba? Hindi ito isang tourist attraction dito or something na place for tourists, no? Actually, nandito lang kami sa parking area. Sa parking area, malapit to dito sa bahay namin, no? Ayun, so we are back guys. Dito tayo sa Batcave natin, no? So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan naman natin is yung rest back ng Canada, no? Kahapon guys, ang topic natin is about yung tariff na gustong i-impose ni Donald Trump dito sa Canada. Of course guys, hindi naman papatalo ang Canada, di ba? So ngayon, meron ng sagot si Justin Trudeau kung ano yung gagawin niya, or actually based dun sa website ng canada.ca, this is actually implemented na, no? So, bago yan guys, pakinggan muna natin yung sinabi ni Trump regarding dito sa bagong i-impose na tariff naman sa mga American goods. Okay. Panoorin na natin to guys. Pakinggan na natin si Justin Trudeau.
I want to speak directly to Americans, our closest friends and neighbors. This is a choice that, yes, will harm Canadians, but beyond that, it will have real consequences for you, the American people.
Wow.
As I have consistently said, tariffs against Canada will put your jobs at risk, potentially shutting down American auto assembly plants and other manufacturing facilities. They will raise costs for you, including food at the grocery stores and gas at the pump. They will impede your access to an affordable supply of vital goods crucial for U.S. security, such as nickel, potash, uranium, steel, and aluminum. They will violate the free trade agreement that the President and I, along with our Mexican partner, negotiated and signed a few years ago.
Yung free trade na yan guys, yung between America, Mexico, and Canada, yan yata yung napabalita kahapon na sinasabi ni Trump na wala naman daw siyang mabaviolate because ang talagang target daw talaga nitong tariff na to is not about the goods, no? Talagang ang main purpose or ang main reason kung bakit niya ito ginagawa is because yung mga illegal na pumapasok from Mexico and Canada papuntang US, like yung mga illegal immigrants, yung mga substance, yung mga illegal drugs, yung mga ganyan. So yun daw talaga yung reason kung bakit siya nagpapatupad na itong tariff na to. Well, yun yung sabi niya, di ba? So, ito na yung guys yung ipapatupad daw ni Trudeau na tariff naman sa mga American goods. I think starting yan today, no? February 4. Pakinggan natin, guys.
I am announcing Canada will be responding to the U.S. trade action with 25% tariffs against $155 billion worth of American goods.
155 billion.
This will include immediate tariffs on $30 billion worth of goods as of Tuesday, followed by further tariffs on $125 billion worth of American products in 21 days' time to allow Canadian companies and supply chains
May part
to
1
seek
and
to
part
find
2.
alternatives. Our response will also be far-reaching and include everyday items such as American beer, wine, and bourbon,
Alak
fruits and
talaga.
fruit juices, including orange juice, along with
Necessities,
vegetables, perfume, clothing, and shoes. It'll include major consumer products like household appliances, furniture, and sports equipment, and materials like lumber and plastics, along with much, much more. And as part of our response, we are considering, with the provinces and territories, several non-tariff measures, including some relating to critical minerals, energy, procurement, and other partnerships. We will stand strong for Canada.
Wow.
We will stand strong
Let's
to
go.
ensure our countries continue to be the best neighbors in the world.
Nice.
With all that said, I also want to speak directly to Canadians in this moment.
Let's listen.
I'm sure many of you are anxious,
Yes.
but I want you to know we are all in this together. The Canadian government, Canadian businesses, Canadian organized labor, Canadian
kaso
civil
nag-resign ka,
society,
pre.
Canada's premiers, and tens of millions of Canadians from coast to coast to coast are aligned
Joke lang.
and united. This is Team Canada at its best.
Wow. Team Canada.
And now is also the time to choose Canada.
There you go.
There are many ways for you to do your part. It might mean checking the labels at the supermarket and picking Canadian-made products.
Oh.
It might mean opting for Canadian rye over Kentucky bourbon, or foregoing Florida orange juice altogether.
So Canadian
It might
goods.
mean changing your summer vacation plans to stay here in Canada and explore the many national and provincial parks,
totoo
historical
naman yan.
sites, and tourist destinations our
Daming
great
magaganda
country has
talaga
to
dito
offer.
sa Canada.
Doing all of these things or finding your own way to stand up for Canada. In this moment, we must pull together because we love this country.
Of course.
We pride ourselves on braving the cold during the long winter months. We don't like to beat our chests, but we're always out there, waving the maple leaf loudly and proudly to celebrate an Olympic gold medal.
Yon. So, napakinggan naman natin ang Team Canada, no? Yung sinabi ni Justin Trudeau. Pero kasi, di ba, nakakalungkot lang kasi nag-resign na siya eh, no? So, paano mo masasabi talagang Team Canada, di ba? You know, sabi nga ng marami, iniwan tayo sa ere, parang ganon. Pero, pambawi naman niya to, at least, di ba, nakipag-usap pa rin siya kay Trump. And, nga pala, no, I think, kahapon yata yun, nag-announce na i-delay ng US yung pagbibigay ng tariff sa Canada. And I think pati sa Mexico for 30 days or a month, parang gano'n, no? So, yan yung announcement ni Justin Trudeau regarding doon sa tariff na ibibigay naman niya para sa American goods, di ba? So, guys, tignan natin yung mismong website, no? Kasi pinakita doon yung initial na 30 billion goods yung listahan, no? Kasi hinati siya into two, no? So, total of 155 billion. Inuna muna nila yung 30 billion and then after 21 days, mag-a-announce sila ulit para dun sa 125 billion naman. Okay? So, ito yung announcement, guys. Okay? So, sinabi nga dito, di ba? In response, we are moving forward with 25% tariff on 155 billion worth of imported US products. Yan. So, sabi dito, today, which is February 2 to na-announce, Honorable Dominic LeBlanc, Minister of Finance, Intergovernmental Affairs, unveiled the full list of items covered by tariffs of 30 billion in goods imported from the US. Ayan. So, pag clinic nyo tong link na to guys, ito yung lalabas. Ayan. Ito yung full list, no, na bibigyan ng 25% tariff. And ang sabi nga nila, this is amounting for $30 billion, no. Yan yun. So, ayan. So, may mga live poultry, may meat, meron siyang milk and cream, yogurt. So, makikita natin dito guys, mga necessity, no, mga pagkain, mga pang-araw-araw na mga gamit. Yun yung kasama dito sa list. At kinapi-paste ko to sa Excel guys. It covers around mga 1,800 lines, no. Ganun kadami to, no, yung listahan na to. And this is just 30 billion guys, no. So after 21 days, magre-release sila ng bago. So kung ito is 30 billion, nasa 1,800 na, what more pa yung 125 billion, di ba? So we are expecting more. Yan. And then sinabi din ni Justin na high time na, or this is the right time para tangkilikin ng mga Canadians or yung mga tao na nandito sa Canada yung local products ng Canada, no? So ngayon, syempre, paano nyo i-check? Ang sabi nga niya, i-check yung label, di ba? Dapat nakalagay doon, made in Canada. Pero meron ako nakitang website guys. So ito yung website na nakita ko guys, na may mga listahan ng mga Canadian products. So i-check nyo lang tong filter na to para ipapakita lang niya lahat ng products lang na made in Canada. So halimbawa naghahanap kayo ng rice. Ayan. So yan yung mga options na mga rice made in Canada, right? O halimbawa sugar. Yan. Marami namang options guys. Okay? So, ang sabi nga, as a support din sa Canadian economy, tayo na nandito sa Canada, kailangan nating suportahan yung mga goods na meron tayo dito locally. So, pwede nyo tong gamitin guys. Yung website is canadacrafted.ca. Kakopy ko na lang to dun sa description para meron kayong reference. Yan. So, yun guys, no? Napakinggan natin yung Team Canada. So, ano bang tingin nyo, no? So, kasi ang sa akin, di ba, talagang nireplicate lang ni Justin Trudeau yung ginawa ni Trump, di ba? So, nagbigay ka ng tariff sa Canadian goods, bibigyan din kita ng tariff para dun sa mga American goods, no? I don't know if it is the right thing to do. Kasi guys, hindi pa natin talaga alam kung ano magiging impact nito, 'di ba? Pero kasi I think it's the same thing, no? Yung inexplain ko kahapon about dun sa tariff. So, I think it will have the same impact, no? Whether sa Canada or sa US, pareho lang yung magiging impact, no? So, well, I hope, 'di ba, na talagang magkaroon ng middle ground at talagang magkasundo sila in the future kung ano ba talaga ang kailangan gawin dito sa, sabi nga is yung sa trade wars ng North America, no? Kasi guys, at the end of the day, ang maapektuhan talaga nito is tayo mga consumers, 'di ba? Whichever way, tariff sa US and tariff sa Canada, malaki ang possibility na magkaroon ng pagtaas ng mga bilihin or ng inflation. And tayo ang magkikerry niyan. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you again for watching and see you again on my next video. Peace.